Most kids start and end their school day with a pack on their back, a pack loaded with plenty of notebooks, pens, books, and more. Unfortunately, they may also be packing trouble for their backs in those totes.
It's estimated that about 6% of 10-year-olds have back pain, and up to 10 to 15% of 12-year-olds have back pain. And that probably is the difference between being in elementary school and middle school in terms of how many books they're having to carry.
Dr. Catherine Riley of OU Physicians Family Medicine says it's important to look at weight, both your child's weight and the weight of that backpack.
One expert says that you shouldn't have more than 10 to 15% of your body weight in your backpack. So for a small child, a 60-pound child should only carry like 6 to 8 pounds in their backpack, which is really not very much.
Even a 120-pound middle school student should only be carrying about 12 pounds on the back. We checked some backpacks to see how they rated on the weight scale, and most were well over that 12-pound mark. Book bags, often popular with girls, aren't any better and pose additional problems.
First of all, having something hanging right on your hip can cause numbness in the skin on the hip because of pressure on the nerve, but also just being off balance, and especially if you're carrying a lot of weight, it doesn't sound like a good thing to me.
It may not be easy to change the amount of homework your child brings home at night, but you can take steps to make sure the load is less hazardous to their backs by making sure they have the right backpack.
A backpack that can be fitted to the body so that the arm straps can be tightened or loosened, possibly a waist belt or a chest belt that allows the pressure to be more distributed all over the body rather than being just on the shoulders and the back. Should be helpful.
Wheeled backpacks can be helpful, but are not allowed by all schools, so check first. Additional tips include eliminating any unnecessary items from your child's backpack. So keep personal items to a minimum and carry only those books and notebooks needed for the homework assigned. Simple tips that will help ensure school isn't a pain in the back for your child. This is Teresa Green reporting.